हाय एवरीवन, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मर्चेंट नेवी डिकोडेड। मेरे साथ है वैभव मेहता, हु हैज रिसेंटली बीन सिलेक्टेड in Anglo-Asian from JMDR Academy, and let me take a mock interview of his non-technical part के ऊपर. Let us see how he performs. And the technical mock interview, if you're really interested in watching, go to YouTube channel JMDR Academy, and that will be uploaded there. Take care. Let's see कैसा करता है वैभव perform. And one thing, यार, guys, to all the viewers, please don't judge. This boy cleared Anglo-Asian interview around 2 months back. So it's been 2 months that he has not given any mock interview. So definitely I feel he'll be a bit rusty. But I have to take his mock interview because that is how you guys learn. Start करें? So prepared?
Yes, sir.
Nervous?
Little bit.
Little bit. चलो start करते हैं. So first question is introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vaibhav Kumar Mehta. I am from Dehradun, the capital city of Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand. I am a keen observer and a fast learner. Talking about my academic skills, I have completed my class 12th from Shri Guru Ram Rai Patel Nagar, Dehradun, affiliated with CBSE board with an aggregate of 93%. In PCM, I have scored 92.6%. I have passed my class 10th from Sandalwood School, affiliated with ICSE board with an aggregate of 93%. My MECT rank was 1632. My interests lie on the side that I love to play outdoor game, especially cricket, and also prefer to listen to music when I am free to relax my mind. And I also do little bit of exercise. Talking about my family, my father's name is Sanjeev Kumar Mehta. He is a Vikram driver. My mother's name is Rajini Mehta. She is a homemaker. I have 2 siblings, an elder sister and a twin brother. I want to tell you that I am a very patient and optimistic person. Thank you.
Okay. Why do you want to join Merchant Navy?
Sir, I want to start this answer by lightening my past. I was in class 10 when I become familiar to this profession, as my relative is also in this field. So his remarks about Merchant Navy provoked my interest to join Merchant Navy. And from that point, I started searching about Merchant Navy on various social media platforms such as Google, YouTube, Instagram. And I love the fact that Merchant Navy was the only profession which was at his full pace during lockdown. So this motivates me to join Merchant Navy. And there are some points which I concluded that motivates me to join this profession. Firstly, the financial stability. As I am a son of a Vikram driver, so the financial stability in my family is not there. So, and Merchant Navy provide a financial stability at an early age. And this is one of the reasons I want to join Merchant Navy. Merchant Navy provide a job security which lacks in majorly all the jobs. Merchant Navy provide an international working environment, as we will get a chance to roam all around the world and meet the people of different cultures and different countries. The most important thing is that Merchant Navy provide tax-free salary. So, and last but not the least, the pride of wearing that uniform and amplets on my shoulder motivates me to join Merchant Navy.
Okay, great. Why did you choose to become a captain over a chief engineer?
I have chosen deck side over engine side because engine side does not fascinate me more as deck side do, as I love to do more of sophisticated work rather than doing my hand dirty, doing machinery work. Moreover, my interests lie on the side that I want to use the binoculars for navigation, and I love to do all that paperwork at the office, at the bridge, on the ship. And the main reason is that the fee of deck side is basically less than the engine side, and I am very eager to be called as Captain Vaibhav Mehta. That's why I've chosen deck side over engine.
Okay. Okay. My next question to you is, Vaibhav, suppose you're a deck cadet, you're on ship, and your chief officer is very strict with you. He abuses you. What is going to be your action?
I will take it seriously on my work, not on my nature or on my mood. I know that it is a part of a work, and if I will take all these abuses today, then I will not be able, then this will be better for my future only, because I will learn from my experiences. So I will take it lightly and focus on my work only.
So you feel that your actions are going to speak louder than the words, and you're going to ensure that with your hard work, you're going to change his mindset, something like that. Am I right?
Definitely.
Okay. Vaibhav, what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses?
Sir, as I was the captain of my school and I was the captain of my school cricket team also, so this have helped me to build a quality of a leadership. I have played, as I have told you that I used to play cricket and various outdoor games, so playing these sports has helped me to build a quality of a team player. Playing cricket and other outdoor games has also enhanced the quality of managing various different type of situations, that is adaptability skills. Sir, I am more of a codeable person, a sociable person. Sir, I want to share an incident with you. Sir, in August, there was a blood donation camp held in our academy. So I was the leader of my team, and we're showing a great sociability skills. Both me and my members also, we have gathered more than 20 plus people to donate blood. So I think these are the qualities of mine. Moreover, sir, I am more a patient, optimistic person. So I want to share again an incident with you. Sir, during my 12th board exams, suddenly one night my grandmother expired, and after 4 or 3 days of this incident happened, I have my physics exam. So I was not mentally prepared for my physics exam, but keeping an optimistic nature and having a positive attitude, I went for my physics exam and I scored well. So, sir,
these are the reasons. Okay. Last question, Vaibhav. Where do you see yourself in the next 10 years?
So in next 10 years, I definitely want to see myself at the higher post which I can acquire in these 10 years. It may be chief officer or second officer. And I want to see myself contributing to the financially contributing to my family and holding all the responsibilities of my family and my mother and my family.
Okay, fine. ठीक है Vaibhav, it was a nice interview. This unedited version is going to go on YouTube so that other people realize. See, the idea of this video is not to portray Vaibhav as a hero, but the idea of this video is to portray Vaibhav as a normal human being who can also make mistakes, who can also say, "Arey sir, मैं भूल गया," because it happens. You cannot prepare all the answers. There is a lot of preparation required. There's a lot of writing up required. There's a lot of little bit of mugging up required. You need to do that, and you're bound to make mistakes. So for all those people out here, you understand, selections is one part. This does not mean that Vaibhav has become a hero till the time he becomes a fantastic leader on board ship, whether as a chief officer or captain. One thing, Vaibhav, in the next 10 years, I do want to see you becoming a captain or a chief officer. Definitely not being a second officer in the next 10 years, for sure.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है? And keep working hard. My best wishes. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Take care, bye.